Guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. I'm Sachin Pal, I'm from Unnao, Uttar Pradesh, and I hope you all are doing well and you all are able to learn something on daily basis. And as you all are well known, like I have started a 100-day challenge for myself. In that particular challenge, I'm going to make or create a video blog in spoken English till 100 days. And as earlier, I think like if I'm going to start storytelling on my YouTube channel, then same time if I'm going to narrate a live story with you all, then on same time I'm able to use new vocabs, sentences and phrases in that particular stories. You all are also able to learn that particular phrases or sentences with the help of these stories. And you can see that today the weather is very charming and eye-catching in my place, and it's also rain a little bit in afternoon, and now sun is almost going to set in the west direction. And I'm in the forest side or field side of my village. You can see behind me there are some mustard crops are grown and also harvested, and there are only mustard sticks are remain, and mustard seeds and mustard waste are collected the farmers. Today I want to narrate a story which is definitely able to add on something new on your knowledge base, and if you are going to apply that moral of the story in your life, then definitely you are able to change your life a little bit. And if you are going to change something little with some consistency, then definitely after some certain amount of time your life is able to change in a drastical way. So once upon a time there was a village near to the hill, and there was a boy named Ryan. Is living with his father, and his father is a farmer. He is doing farming, and he started creating seeds. Then that time in that village, the crow is feeling loved while eating that particular crop seed. So there the farmers need to take care of that seeds from the crow. So Rayan is also, as his father said, Rayan, please go on the field or farm and please take care of our crop from crow. So he also went to the farm, and he is a very lazy person. He didn't want to move very rapidly, but he want to sit. So for it he makes some poles in the corner of his field, and he put some pot which is going to create some voices or noise from the wind direction, so that is not want to sit there due to that voice. And he still sit there and he enjoying. He didn't need to go and make some noise and likewise. But his father is not saying him anything. He's also known like my boy is very lazy person, and did not want to make some efforts for the getting things done. And but he didn't want to say anything to Ryan. Once in a summertime, Ryan fathers get sick and he's not able to work on the fields. So his father said to Ryan, Ryan, please take care of our crop because I'm not able to work hard in the field. So from now you need to work on the fields and you need to take care of our crops. Ryan is a very lazy person. It is summer season, and in summer season we need to pour more and more water in the crops, otherwise it is going to be dry. Due to less water, the crops is started dry, and that particular crop is not able to grow due to less water. So Rayan once in a day, after going from the fields, he sat under the moonlight and he started watching the moons and stars in the sky. And someone is passing there and he started talking among them like, tomorrow is the competition in our majesty, and our king is having some competition for cross the river, and also there are some wooden box, and who is able to win on that competition, he is able to get a very big prize from our king. So Ran also confirmed from that person, is it true? So they said, yeah, is it true? And if you are also want to participate on that competition, then you need to come at 9 in the morning. So Ran get some food and he is also sleep, and he wake up early in the morning and he said he from his mother, I want to participate in a competition which is in the our majesty, and if I'm able to win on that competition, then we are able to do some arrangement for our food, otherwise our crop is also lost, and we are not having anything to eat. So his mother also nodded with him and he said, yeah, please go and give your 100%. If you are able to win, then we are able to survive, otherwise we are going to lose our life due to less food. So Ryan also take a bath and take some food, and after that he went out from his house to reach in that particular competition, and after a long walk he is able to reach the on that majesty, and there was a swimming competition was there, swimming or kind of there was a lake, and there are so many competitors are there, and if someone is able to cross the lake, so he is able to win. So the competition is started, and whoever is the judge, they started counting 3 2 1 and the competition is started. So everyone is just jump into the water and they started swimming to win the race, but Ran is not jump into the water. He started thinking, what I can do, there is not competition for swimming, there is competition to cross the lake. So if I'm able to cross cross the lake without swimming or with the help of any other equipment, then that is not an issue. So he started thinking, and there was a wood part was there, and he collected that wood part, and he throw that wood part in the water, and he sit on that wood part, and he collected some other wood part also, and he started using that wood part as a boat, and he's able to chase so many competitors because they are get exhausted. So using his mind he is able to win that particular competition, and there is another part of that particular competition is also there. So there was a wood square is there, and who is able to carry that wood for 1 kilometer, who is able to reach that distance by first, so he is able to get the prize. So everyone, and there was so many instruments are there, and the condition was there only, you need to pick or choose only one equipment. So there are two other persons are also there in that particular competition, and one of them chooses one rope, and he tie up that particular wood with rope, and he started trying to pull that particular wood. Another person, he taken some axe and he just started cutting that particular wood, and he's also trying to collect that wood and reach till the destination. So Ryan is not started doing anything. He just started thinking what I'm able to do. So after a certain amount of time, he is able to pick a knife. So everyone is there get shocked how he is able to pick that particular big wood part with the help of knife. And he started cutting that particular wood with the help of knife. And after long work, he is able to convert that wood part into the wood ball. And then now he's not having a wood part, he's having a wood ball. And he started sliding that wood ball. And he no need to work hard to get that wood part into the destination. And he is able to win that competition. So the moral of this story is you no need to work hard for get successful in your life. Also you need to think a little bit. Whatever you are doing, you also need to think, is there any other ways to do that particular things? And if there are any other way to do these things, and we need to put less efforts, so that's very good for us. And that's it for today. And I hope you all are able to enjoy this story, and you all are able to learn something with the help of this story. So thank you so much for being with me on this journey. And if you find my content is really helpful for you, then please hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share with your friend and family and everyone who is liking or who is feeling need these kind of content. Goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead.